Okay, hi guys, and basically today I'm just going to be showing you how to begin yourself with Rubik's Cube, start a Speedcuber self. So the first thing a beginner does is basically make a daisy. So it's pretty easy. Make my daisy. Now I put the colors in the right spots. Make a cross. Then I insert all the pieces. Install that white layer. This is a big part. So we're going to install the white layer. Now we're going to make the middle layer. Now that we've done the middle layer, we're going to make a cross on the yellow layer. We're going to solve the yellow layer. Install the corners. Then we're just going to install the rest of the cube. As the beginner does it, now we're going to mix up the cube. Basically show you how Speedcuber does. How Speedcuber do it is basically they just make a cross at the bottom instead. I'm not a very good Rubik's Cuber, so don't judge me. But basically, they make a cross. And they solve that second layer, or they solve the white layer, sorry. And then solving the white layer, it's done. So after solving the white layer, they solve the middle layer, and make a cross. And now going to solve the whole layer, do an algorithm, solve the rest of the cube. And there you go. So this is how a beginner solves it. That's how Speedcuber.